Hello everyone, welcome to Apna Channel. So Stpi Recruitment 2022 preparation strategy video is here for you guys. Here we will discuss what is your expected exam date, expected pattern and syllabus and everything which will help you to crack this exam. Okay. So without wasting further time, let's start our main video. First we will discuss about your exam pattern. So what exam pattern you have, what subject you need to study for your exam. So subjects are reasoning, aptitude, English and general awareness, technical. Okay, so these are 5 subjects. Definitely in technical you have engineering mathematics and your technical part. Okay, now number of questions are 20, 20, 20, 20 and 70. Means total 150 questions they will ask you, and for this 150 questions you will get 150 minutes also. Okay, so this is the basic pattern. Positive marking is there of 1 mark, negative marking is there of 0.25 marks. Okay, now see, common question I am getting from you guys. There are two branches, ECE and CAC. So whether common paper is there for both or different paper is there. So your answer for this question is only one paper will be there for both the branches, whether it is ECE and CAC. Okay, so you need to study only one syllabus, whether you are from ECE or CAC. There is no differentiate, only one paper is there. Now about expected exam date. So till now there is no plan to conduct your exam. Okay, so definitely in May or June or beyond that they can conduct, but still for our safer side we will consider May month. Okay, so May month is our target month at which you need to complete your syllabus, whether it is technical or non-technical. Okay, now I will discuss the syllabus for your all the sections, that is technical and non-technical. So first we will start with reasoning. What you need to study here: coin decoding, classification, blood relation, then direction test is there, number series, counting figure, missing figure, paper cutting, folding, statement, assumption and conclusion, then course of action, DI, data interpretation, sitting arrangement, analogy and puzzle. These are the 15 topics you need to study in your reasoning part. Then the next is for aptitude. So for aptitude, percentage ratio and HCF, profit loss discount, number system, SI and CI, time and work, board stream, pipe distance, again average, mensuration 2D and 3D, time distance, ages, trigonometry, height distance, geometry and histogram. Okay, total 14 topics are there for your aptitude part. Then in general awareness we have current affair, history, geography, polity, economics and static GK we have to study. Definitely in strategy of phase 1 I will tell you from which one to which one you need to study your current affair or read your current affair. Then English, in English basic grammar, then comprehension and vocab, basic vocab, that is synonym, antonym part, idioms. Okay, like that. Okay, now for technical, as you know only one paper is there, so common syllabus will be there for EC and CSE. Okay, this syllabus is 90% confirmed and definitely it will vary 10%. So whatever the variation will be there, I will update you. Okay, next time whenever they will update us, or I will get update before them. So for now what we will do, I will just tell you the syllabus and then I will move to strategy video, that how you can complete it. Okay, so first in technical we have engineering mathematics. What you need to study here: algebra, determinants and matrices, then logarithm, vector algebra, calculus, differential equations and binomial theorem. Okay, these are the 6 topics you need to study for your technical engineering mathematics part. Then in technical we will start electronic circuits, communication system, digital telephony, mobile communication, then satellite communication, micro engineering, fiber optic communication, digital electronics, circuit theory, microprocessor controller, audio video system, measurement and instrumentation and power electronics. So till this point this is the portion of ECE branch. Okay, now the portion of CAC branch will get start. So computer hardware, COA, computer organization architecture, then computer network, data structure using C, operating system, software engineering, database management, object oriented programming with C++, programming with Java, web programming, software testing, network security and management, information storage and management. So, okay, so this is the huge syllabus for you guys, that is both the branches EC and CAC, I know, but definitely how to do this effectively, for that you are watching this video. So now we will start our phase 1 strategy video. The period of phase 1 will be from today only, that is 4th of February to 28th February. Okay, if it takes 3 to 4 days extra for you to prepare, then it's okay, there is no problem in that. So you can just take 3 to 4 extra days, but I will consider period of this. Okay, so now what are the things you need to cover here? So first let me discuss for non-tech section, then I will go to technical. Okay, so in non-tech what you will do, you will start with percentage, ratio and average. So these 3 chapters you will do for quant. Then in reasoning what you will do, you will start direction test and blood relation. Okay, then in English only grammar part you will touch, and in general awareness you will start with current affair for now, and current affair you will read from January complete to February, obviously. Okay, this much current affair you will read. Okay, now resources. So definitely for quant, RS Agrawal is best. There is no need to worry for that. So use RS Agrawal. For reasoning also RS Agrawal, verbal non-verbal reasoning. Okay, English any book that contains grammar basics, so that you can use. There is no problem in that. Current affair, our magazine box course is there, and also website is there. Okay, all the things are there. So just make proper use of that. Now the next thing is our Telegram PDF. So those who already completed the syllabus of quant, reasoning, English or general awareness, at least 40% or more, they can start practice from our Telegram PDF. Okay, which we will get on our Apna Government Job Telegram channel. So compulsory join our channel and use this PDF as a practice tool. Okay. Okay. Now we will start for technical. See, now there is only one paper for technical, right? But our strategy will be different for both the branches, for EC also and CSA also. Okay, so I will divide my strategy. For EC first I will discuss, then for CAC I will discuss. So in the timestamp, definitely those who are from CAC, you can see the timestamp and you can go to that part. But before that, just listen this. Paper is only one for both, but strategy will be different. Okay, so just follow this and definitely you will get maximum result. Okay. Okay, now we will start the syllabus for EC branch. So before that, let me tell you the level will be, what will be the level you can expect in your STPI scientific paper. So level will be from easy to moderate. Okay, as you know the syllabus is very vast, so definitely they will not ask you the questions which are deep, but they will ask you easy and moderate questions. So definitely we have to study theoretical plus numerical point of view also. Okay, there is one important thing in that. So for level, there is no need to worry. Just all the basic things should be clear, like theoretical theory, then you are numericals, okay, all the formulas and everything, and definitions like that. Means basic. Then first we will start with circuit theory. So for circuit theory, you can give 4 to 6 days, and you will try to cover this in 4 to 6 days only. Behavior passive components, okay. So circuit elements, that is passive and active, and behavior of passive components. These are important things. Means obviously all the things related to RLC, your series connection, parallel connection, okay, basic, that is voltage divider, current divider, everything you will do here. Active element and passive circuit elements you know already, so you will do. Then resonance, complete chapter you need to study. Okay, resonance in AC they give, but study DC as well. There is no need to worry. Not DC, obviously AC, in AC we will get the resonance. Then mesh current and node voltage analysis, Kirchhoff laws, okay, both KVL and KCL. Network theorems, all the network theorems, all the 5 network theorems, then coupled circuit, magnetic coupled circuit, and transient analysis. Okay, this much part you will study in your circuit theory, and just try to complete the syllabus in 4 to 6 days. Next subject we will take electronic circuits or your analog circuits. So for that, what we have, op-amp, okay, complete op-amp chapter, that is your linear and non-linear applications of op-amp. All the things you will study in very much detail. About op-amp also you will still, okay, study. Then diode circuits, your rectifiers, your clipper, clamper, everything will come here in the diode circuits, basic diode circuit analysis. Then PLL, phase lock loop, power supplies, basics of power supply, half wave, full wave, bridge rectifier. So obviously this thing will come in this only. Voltage regulation, okay, general diode voltage regulation, and regulator and IC regulators theory. This way you will require an analysis point of view, general voltage regulation. Then BJT, FET, MOSFET, UJT. So definitely theory plus numerical point of view you will study BJT, FET and MOSFET. Okay, for UJT just do theory part, no need to just do problems. And in BJT what you will do, all the analysis point of view, that is small signal analysis, and your how to identify modes and everything. Okay, same for MOSFET and FET. Then optoelectronic devices, LED, laser, photodiode, this thing you will do in very much detail. Also your material, conducting material, semiconductor material. Feedback, power amplifier, both most important topic. So feedback amplifier is 4 types, and power amplifier also 4 types. Okay, just do this all the things in very much detail. Maximum your theoretical question, and the formula is there, famous, so that they will ask you THD formula, total harmonic distortion. Then oscillators, all the oscillator types you will study, all their formulas, theory, how they work, everything. Similar for multivariators or multivariators like astable, monostable and monostable you will study. Okay, so hardly I can say 8 to 10 days you can take for this circuit, because it is very vast subject and big subject, so that's why. So hardly it will take 8 to 10 days you can cover. Next we will take communication system. So in communication, definitely you can give 4 to 6 days again, okay, for this. And what you need to study, So first your communication block diagram basic, then TDM, FDM, noise signal to noise ratio basics, modulation techniques, what are the modulation techniques are there, okay, AM, FM, PM, then AM and FM receivers chapter, so that you will do, then digital modulation, sampling theorem, then pulse code modulation, delta modulation, okay, then asynchronous transmission, synchronous transmission, error detection and correction. After that, digital modulation schemes, so you are ASK, FSK, PSK and COM. Then multiple access techniques like TDMA, CDMA, FDMA, okay, FDM and TDM. These basic things you will study in multiple access techniques. So just try to complete this all syllabus in 4 to 6 days. If you want, plus 2 days you can take, but obviously I don't think it will require. So in 4 to 6 days you can do better, okay, theoretical point of view. Then fourth subject in phase 1, we will take microcontroller and processor. So now this subject is very much important, okay, that you need to study 8085, 8086 and 8051, which is your controller, in good manner, because sure they will ask questions from these topics. And what you need to study: basic microprocessor instructions, addressing mode, RISC versus 6, architecture 8086, minimum maximum modes, flag register, interrupt, superscalar architecture. Then you will study in 8085 again architecture, then programming, okay, then timer, interrupt, fetch cycle, execution cycle, machine cycle, instruction set, all the instruction set, then classification of instruction, group of instruction, data transfer, arithmetic, whatever instructions are there, okay, they will study, and last subtraction, subroutine and nesting. So these are the things you need to study in microcontroller and processor, okay. Now what books you can refer? So for network theory, handwritten notes are enough. For your analog circuits, again handwritten notes are enough, okay. Then third subject was your communication, handwritten notes was enough. And for microcontroller, one book is there, Suprabhata Ghoshal, so that book you can refer, okay, that is good book, because all the theory part you will get from that. And practice point of view, so you will for now just practice from EAC papers, EAC previous year, okay. Whatever the topics I wrote here, just do that topic, complete theory, complete numerical, and then start with your practicing the questions from EAC previous year question papers, right? And for microcontroller, definitely I will give you something afterwards, so no need to worry about that. Just at least complete theory part for processor and 8086. Okay, so this is the complete strategy for you guys for phase 1. I will meet you in the phase 2 now in month of March. So try to complete all the things, okay, that is non-technical and technical parallelly. It is not like you will complete first technical then non-technical. No, parallelly you will do all the subject, and then definitely after that we will discuss about phase 2. So this is phase wise strategy is very much advantage for you, because it will help you to maintain your track or maintain your flow of study, okay, because you have target each month, each day what you need to do. So target is there, definitely based on this target. Now just make your timetable and start your study. If you have any query, any doubt regarding this, definitely you can comment down below. If you want to ask me personally, then you can DM me on Instagram, okay. All the best. So next strategy is for computer science. So for computer science, we are starting computer organization architecture, which is our first subject. Before that, what will be the level you can expect? So level will be definitely easy to moderate, okay. So 2 reasons, as you know, time is less, okay. Second was syllabus. Third, paper is common for both computer science and electronics students. That's why the paper will be easy to moderate, okay. Basic things you will require for your branch also, that is your branch subject also, and EC branch subject also, okay. So first you will study computer organization and architecture, very important subject for your STPI. What you will study here: basics of computer system, von Neumann architecture, okay, short question and each feature, structure of CPU, function of memory and IO units, then addressing mode and instruction structures, okay, execution steps of typical instruction through different parts of CPU and memory, different addressing mode, memory and IO devices, memory hierarchy model, cache memory, mapping techniques, heat ratio, all the things, all the basic concepts are there, okay. Definition, understanding, just understanding is required. Replacement algorithm, virtual memory technique, address translation material, TLB, program IO and status IO, interrupt mechanism. Next, DMA transfer, DMA data transfer, IO processor, different types of interrupt, priority interrupt, simultaneous interrupt, DMA transfer mode, control unit design issue, hardwire control unit design, okay. Next, microprogram, control unit design, horizontal and vertical microprogramming, RISC, direct difference, architecture and pipelining, and then instruction pipelining, which is important. So all these topics you will study under this. Definitely handwritten notes for your gate exam is enough for this, so you definitely you can get that notes, okay, online. And for practice point of view, for now I will suggest you to practice from gate 1 mark question only, okay, for now, for phase 1. So just take your any gate previous year publication book and just solve all the 1 mark question of the topics which are mentioned on this screen, okay. And what number of days you can allocate for computer organization architecture, as here theory is more, and definitely there are lots of chances they will ask theory question. So 6 to 8 days. Just take 6 to 8 days for computer organization architecture. Okay. Computer network model, data signal, bandwidth utilization, transmission media, then switching error detection correction, data link control, multiple access. Okay. Then wire LAN, Ethernet, conducting LAN, backbone network, virtual LAN, and then all your computer network start here. That is all the layers and in detailed manner you need to study. Okay, that which device works on which layer, then what are the protocols of each layer, everything. That is your whole computer network. Okay, each layer, that's 7 layer in very much detail. Just study. So in that all you get that is congestion control, then UDP TCP you will get domain name system. Okay, then electronic mail sim, SMTP, like that. All the things are there. Okay, so Foruzon, if you use Foruzon, then definitely you will get advantage because lots of theory part you can cover from Foruzon. Okay, that is these topics, and obviously the 7 layer and everything in very much detail you can cover from handwritten notes. But all the things I will suggest you to study from Foruzon only, and then get 1 mark question practice you can do. Okay, for computer network hardly 4 to 6 days are enough. There is no need to worry for that. So 4 to 6 days are you can do. Then operating system. In operating system, 5 topics: process management, synchronization, deadlocks, memory management, virtual memory management, and file system. Okay, this much only you need to study in operating system. 4 to 6 days again you can take for operating system. Handwritten notes for gate exam you can use, and get 1 mark question for practice. Okay, so this will you just think you will do. Okay, next is DBMS, database management. So database and database users, database system concept architecture, then ER model, relation data model, relation database constraint, the relation algebra, SQL schema, definition basic of SQL, all the things you will do, queries and views, functional dependency normalization. Okay, then transaction processing concept and theories, concurrency control techniques, and database recovery techniques. Okay, all these things you will study. Again, for this also you can take 4 to 6 days. So that will be enough. If obviously +2 is required, then you can do. Okay, but I don't think for DBMS is required. It for definitely COA, I think little time it will require. So again, your handwritten notes for study and get 1 mark question for practice you can use for this. Okay, so this is your phase 1 strategy. In phase 1, all the non-technical and technical portion I share with you. So just start now, gather the resources and start your preparation. Definitely you will get enough time, but after completing the whole syllabus you need to study EC subject also. Okay, so accordingly I planned the things for you. So just what you can do, just follow our phase wise strategy and definitely you will get the results. Okay, if you have any query, any doubt regarding recruitment, then definitely you can comment down below, or if you want to ask me anything personally, then you can DM me on Instagram. All the best.